On April 9, 1529, Lutheran leaders protested Charles V's reversal of the 1526 tolerance provision at the Second Diet of Speyer, fearing Catholic suppression. The protest, formally read, united 6 princes and 14 cities against the Edict of Worms, coining Protestant as they chose obedience to God over Caesar. This event solidified the Reformation's political footing. On April 9, 1738, Charles Wesley's illness prompted spiritual introspection, as recorded in his journals. This moment preceded his May 21 conversion, when he found assurance in Christ. This experience influenced his 9,000 hymns and Methodism's growth as a Protestant movement. On April 9, 1906, Holiness preacher William Seymour led a small group in a Los Angeles home where they experienced glossolalia, marking the start of the Azusa Street Revival. By April 14th, services moved to 312 Azusa Street, and over 3 years, it became a multiracial global phenomenon. This event birthed Pentecostalism, now a major Christian branch with over 500 million adherents, emphasizing direct spiritual experience. On April 9, 1945, Bonhoeffer, a Lutheran pastor and anti-Nazi resistor, was executed at 39, just weeks before Flossenburg's liberation. Involved in the Abwehr's plot against Hitler, his writings like The Cost of Discipleship shaped Protestant ethics, emphasizing costly grace and resistance to tyranny, making him a 20th century martyr. Romans 8:18. For I reckon that the sufferings of this present time are not worthy to be compared with the glory which shall be revealed in us. God bless you in Jesus Christ today.